Hi folks, I'm Jerry Moore, an award-winning woodcarver. Without the flex sander, these beautiful carvings would not have even been possible. For as long as there has been sandpaper, the only thing we've had for fine detail sanding was to cut a sheet into small squares and then cut them into smaller squares and even smaller squares and even into small triangles. Not anymore. The flex sander is replacing that awful sheet of sandpaper. Watch this. And if you use up that end, all you do is rotate it just a slight bit and you have a fresh end. See how you can press it against a curved surface? You can sand that in the round all day long without squaring that off. The hardest thing to sand is compound angles such as flower petals. See how the flex sander can conform to what you're pressing it against? See how it not only sands but improves those cutting edges? Underneath the bars of this rattle. Now I'm going to flex it. See how it bends around the bars and sands behind and underneath the bars? There's nothing else on the market that can do that little trick. Now this is impressive. Watch as I push the flex sander in between two of the louvers and then flex it. See how it starts to bend over and then bends completely over and starts sanding the back side of the louver? There's nothing else in the world that can do that little maneuver. Although I'm a wood carver and use flex sander to put an award-winning finish on my carvings, flex sander is also being used for antique and retro furniture refinishing and restoration, auto body and antique car restoration, motorcycle and antique motorcycle repair and restoration. The flex sander is made from aluminum oxide abrasive on cotton fiber paper meant for wet sanding metal. This makes it great for polishing aluminum, magnesium, stainless steel, for getting that gasket sealer residue off. Corroded electric battery connections, also wooden windows, picture frames, jewelry boxes, deco doors, inlaid tabletops, front doors, cabinet doors, and about 1,000 other things. You see, flex sander is the only flexible micro detail sander on the market, made just for all the small, tiny things that you find in everyday life.